Everyone is really working towards that same goal of trying to make this child be successful and not get any additional criminal, problems.
We're here today with our district attorney, Beth Heckert. So thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, thanks for having me over here.
What is your team, what role do they play really in dealing with juvenile offense cases differently, I guess, than from adult?
So we work really closely with the juvenile department, and the deputy assigned to that caseload talks with them. Juvenile files the cases themselves, so they review the police reports and they file the cases, but if they have legal questions, then they contact us, or if they're not sure what charge to file in a situation, they contact us. And then how the case gets disposed of is a little bit different in juvenile court, because the probation officers in juvenile court are working with those kids basically at that time and meeting with them and getting a different kind of input from them that we don't get on the criminal side typically. We never meet with a defendant on an adult criminal side in between the cases basically. Gotcha. So they kind of get a sense of what they think is appropriate, what's going on in that child's life, what services they might need to keep them from having this happen again. And then they'll make recommendations as to what that is, and we generally follow those recommendations. So in adult side, we are the ones making recommendations ourselves.
Sure, okay.
On how much jail or community service or what services, drug services or what else we think is appropriate. And in juvenile, the juvenile department really makes most of those recommendations, and then we kind of convey that to the court and recommend those.
Kind of like almost coming alongside them.
Really, yeah, we work very closely with them in that situation. And even the defense attorneys in juvenile court, everyone is really working towards that same goal of trying to make this child be successful and not get any additional criminal, problems. So it's just a little bit, it's still adversarial, but it's a little bit different in juvenile court.